All right, this is the unboxing of the Exotek F1 Ultra. It just arrived today for me. I previously just opened it up earlier today, and I decided to do an unboxing. Um, right here is the manual that it comes with. It comes with a very beautiful detailed manual. I really like how big all the pictures are. It gives you step-by-step instructions on building the kit. Um, I mean, from putting the ball stud into the steering knuckle and the axle through the steering knuckle, shows you um, before and after, and it's pretty big, so you should be able to see everything in complete detail. And let's go to the box. The box is beautiful too. It was really small. I didn't think there was an actual kit in here. I'm like, how did they fit a whole car in here? But I mean, this is how car kits are coming now. But I mean, really beautiful. Good job on the exterior box of the kit here. And again, this is the new Exotek Racing F1 Ultra, their first kit that they've come out with. Exotek does a lot of conversion kicks and hop-up parts for various car manufacturers, and this is their first car on their own. All right, and this is how it comes. You get a rear wing, one front wing, very nice. Let's see here, let's go bag by bag. So this is bag one, and this looks like a lot of the graphite arms, some of the steering assembly. Yep, that's that. And let's see here. Let's go to bag two. Bag two has a lot of the tie rods and the different ball studs and front springs, the axles for the front end. So you're basically putting together the front end first. And I think that aluminum part right there is the steering crank. Okay. And we'll go to bag three. This is part of the pod, the bearings for the pod assembly, the sides of the pod, and the ride height adjustments. Okay, let's go to bag four. This is 4A. This is the ball diff assembly. Looks like you get a graphite forgot what it's called, centerpiece, I guess. That's what connects all the ball diff together, along with the spur gear assembly. Okay, that's 4. This is bag 5, which consists of the rest of the pod assembly plus part of the suspension attachments where the shocks assemble onto. Okay, and 6 here, steering horns, body clips. Not too sure some of the other stuff, but I'm pretty sure we'll figure it out as we put it together. And we have, it's not even numbered, shock bag. Oh, this is what's really unique. As you look right here, let me see if I can get a better view on it. Those are the micro shock bodies with the micro springs. And that's what he's doing different than anybody else. He's come out with his own shocks and springs for the car. You're still running one standard spring with a standard shock body with the spring on it, but he has these mini micro shock bodies with springs that are right here, and that's what everybody wants to know how that works. And that's what's very unique and different about his car other than other cars. And right here, this is something else. That right there is the rear area, and this is the front area of the chassis. So this is in graphite, and this is in aluminum right here, I believe. And this is the this is aluminum too, and this is where the rear pod all comes together. Exotek, man, he did a good job. This car is beautiful. And of course, antenna hose, but I mean, do we really need one of these now? Does anybody run one of these anymore? You know. And you get 350 shock oil. That's what you're probably using for those rear shocks. The 3 shocks you have to have, and differential grease. And that's it. You know, shouldn't take long to put together. I want to get this car built before the race in Vegas next weekend, so we'll get this all put together, and then I'll do another video just to see how everything's put together and how it looks. But yeah, man, this is Exotek's first car, F1 Ultra. Now, if I have to ding anything about this kit, and it's very minuscule. Well, actually, it's not. I mean, to have such a beautiful manual right here, the manual doesn't fit in the box. It's pretty much like smashed in there, you know. But, I mean, that's okay. It probably, you know, had a lot of them printed out and was like, man, we ain't going to reprint these, damn it. We're just going to shove this shit in the box, and there you go. All right. Well, this again is our open box review of the F1 Ultra, Exotek Racing's F1 Ultra, new kit for 2020 that just was released. And hopefully we get this going in the next week or so and see how it runs on the track.